How to make healthy meals that will help minimize your risk of cancer. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we will be learning how to make healthy meals that can help minimize our risk of various health issues. As we all know, eating healthy is crucial for our overall well-being, and by making smart food choices, we can prevent a range of diseases and conditions. Before we dive into the recipes, let's take a trip to the grocery store and explore some of the healthy ingredients we will be using today. First up, we have fruits and vegetables. These are a rich source of essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can boost our immune system and protect us from diseases. So make sure you include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your meals. Next, we have nuts, seeds, and legumes. These are excellent sources of protein and healthy fats that can reduce our risk of heart disease and improve our cholesterol levels. Thirdly, we have whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. These are complex carbohydrates that provide us with sustained energy and are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Lastly, we have spices and herbs like turmeric, ginger, garlic, and rosemary. These are not only great for flavoring our meals but also have numerous health benefits like reducing inflammation and boosting our immune system. Now that we have our ingredients, let's move on to the recipes.